I can also create basic motion studies or animations with motors, contact, and gravity, or any combination of my motion manager tools. So let's take a look at this simple example here. We're just going to have this bar swinging and knocking over some boxes. First thing I might want to do is let's add a motor in. Make sure I'm in basic motion and just add a motor as we've already seen. So the component and direction, I'm going to grab my component here that I like to be swinging, and the direction here looks about right, and then give the speed as well, or the motion I'd like. Let's say constant speed, 10 RPM. And once I'm happy with that, just hit the green check. And notice that's added in my rotary motor here. And what I also like here is to add gravity. So this is going to be a swinging arm. It's going to knock over a box, hopefully, and then the box is going to maybe fall down. So let's add in gravity here. And again, just make sure it's in the correct direction. I want it in the Y direction here in this case. And I can see it's in the Y direction going down. So that's what I'm looking for. And just hit the green check, say OK to that. And then I have my motor, I have my gravity. Finally, I want my contact. So maybe the bar will be coming into contact with my boxes here. Then if my boxes fall, they may come into contact with the ground. And all three of these boxes by default are just in contact with each other, with gravity being applied, so they're not going to fall through each other. So let's go to contact here. I can grab whichever components I'd like that will be in contact with each other. Or I like to do quite often is just box select everything, because in fact all of these objects might become in contact with each other. So just make sure you select all the objects in the assembly if that's the case. And once we're happy with that, hit the green check. And now I should have my motor, my gravity, and my contact all being applied to my basic motion animation here. So again, just calculate through and let's take a look at how this may look. And there's my bar swinging, should hit the box, knock the box over, and then the box falling to the ground. So here I can see that quite complex and realistic animations and motion studies can be generated using a combination of any and all of the tools that we have learned thus far.